Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our second part of application video for computational science engineering in TU Braunschweig. In the previous video, we made first the requirement analysis video in the DAD website. Then in the application part 1, we also did the application requirement analysis again in the TU Braunschweig official website. And we also got to know that people who are applying with computer science can also apply, because there is a information technology specialization that you can pursue. Then you need to have a German and English both requirement. Also, we showed you how to register for this particular application portal, and we ended the application part 1 here. In this video, I will just fill in all mandatory details and upload the documents wherever it is required. Then we will submit the application. Please make sure you do this or watch this video and apply before March 15th, because March 15th is the deadline for this particular course and college itself. Before we start today's video, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about requirement analysis. In the requirement analysis, we usually go through around colleges, what are there in Germany, and which are the colleges that you can pursue based on your interest. Say example, mechanical, electrical, computer science, etc. Then each college we will do the requirement analysis. First we will check for the admission criteria. What are the admission criteria you need to fulfill in order to get into college. Then what are the documents that you need to submit with the application document. After that, we will also check and note down the application deadline. With this deadline, we will also make sure where to apply, like say example in the university website itself, like example TU Braunschweig, or applying through UniAssist, which will be most of the other colleges. Then at the time of application deadline, we will also make application videos on step-by-step procedure how to apply. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session, then you don't hesitate to contact me or become a YouTube member. Then we can get to know how to deal with your situation. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, last time we stopped here, and here is the information that you need to get a consent, or you need to prove a consent of getting a email notification of your application. So usually, please, I suggest you guys to select yes, but as I am not submitting and I won't be needing any of the notification, so I'll say no and continue. Then we are applying for winter semester 2026-2027, not for summer semester, and we will start the application. Once you click on start application, here you can just see this is the checklist or the documentation or the application section where you can start application for winter semester 2026-2027, and there is no application. You can submit 1 or 2, 3 application for all courses that you are eligible and you want to apply for TU Braunschweig. Then we click on add on application. In the application, here we will select on masters, and the course of study is our computational science engineering. And here in the third place, you can just see the computational science engineering masters, and we will be doing in or like to study in first semester. Why first semester, second semester, third semester, fourth semester, 4 were there? If you remember, in the previous videos, we also covered computational mechanics for University of Stuttgart Commerce. So if you are a person who's studying commerce as of now in the second semester, and you want to shift to this particular college for third semester, then you click on here and select for third semester, which will be higher semester application. Why? Because your commerce studies that you are doing in TU Stuttgart will also has the same content of computational mechanics of TU Braunschweig. So if you have a same amount or same name courses or same domain, then you can shift to higher semester. But most of the people who are applying from bachelor in India and coming for the fresh masters, then everybody has to select for first semester, because you will be starting as a new student. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, here is the study program, previous study program of second degree. Have you already studied? So have you already studied in Germany? No, that's the reason we have selected no. But if you are a person who is applying for third semester or fourth semester, then you would have selected yes and given the semester, how many university semester you have done, either 1 or 2, then you're changing for higher semester. But as we are coming for the first time, we will select no and we click on next. Once you clicked on next, then it will be for normal application procedures where you need to fill in your bachelor degree. So here directly they are asking you information on your bachelor degree. If you not yet received your final bachelor degree yet, enter the average grade you have achieved. The date of bachelor degree is then date issued of the current transcript of records. Example, transcript of record. So if you don't have, then please give in the date at which your bachelor degree is in the 7th semester, not the 8th semester, they are saying. Then if you have obtained qualifying degree other than the bachelor degree, diploma, state examination, like that, you can also give here. And if you are studying a double bachelor or already have a German degree, then also you can apply here. But usually we will directly give our bachelor degree. As we have completed already, my bachelor degree was 1.7 CGPA. And if you want to get to know more about converting your CGPA, as usual we will go into TUM official grade conversion tool. Here this is the official TUM grade conversion tool. In the maximum grade conversion tool it will be 10 CGPA, that is our maximum, and minimum passing grade that we need to obtain in order to get degree is 5, and my CGPA at the end of the degree was 8.8. If I convert, then I'll get 1.7. that's how I am giving everywhere 1.7. Then that in which country we have obtained our degree, it will be in foreign nation India. Then the degree of bachelor degree when you have finished. So I finished in 2020 around winter, so I will just give that particular time. So I have given the 2020 date, that when I have finished my degree. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, you need to say here that they have given error. Why? Because in Germany the point is always the comma, not the point, so you just have to be careful. Please give the comma, not the point. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, the next section will be there where you have to give information about bachelor degree program. So which university the degree you pursued and the other degree. The name of the university is VTU. So usually I don't give complete, but I'm just giving you for an example. So Visvesvaraya Technological University, the degree that I have finished or completed is electrical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical or other degrees. So I'm selecting electrical engineering, but most of the people would select computer science or mechanical. Why? Because this course is completely for mechanical guys. Then other degree program if you have done, then please give your, if you have already done one master's in India itself. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, here you need to fill in your proof of enrollment in the past. So have you already been enrolled in chosen master degree at TU Braunschweig or other German national degree? No, because we have not done any of the course or any of the German college we have registered. This will be our first course and your first semester and your first German university. That's the reason you select next, no, and go next. Then decide specialization is here where you will select based on your interest. If you want to go into electrical engineering side, civil side, mechanical side, or computer science side. As I am applying and showing you how to apply, I'll select electrical engineering as of now, but it doesn't even matter. People who are applying from computer science, please select mathematics and computer science. If you're applying from mechanical side, then please select mechanical, or civil, then please select civil. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, here you need to fill in your or give in your documents about language skill, and we have already checked. Here you need to provide a sufficient English language skill as of now. In the next section you will get your German skills. So at first we will upload our English language skills of IELTS 6.5, which will be B2. So I have uploaded the IELTS document. Then you can click on next. Once you click on next, here you will get to have a payment receipt where you have to pay 75 euros as for your payment OU fees. So in order to apply for this particular course, and they will charge you 75 euros for going through your application. So in order to check the evaluation procedure, they are charging 75 euros. This is technically like UniAssist, because in UniAssist also you will pay for the application at the first is 70 euros, then the next upcoming application is 30 euros, but here all application is 75 euros. If you are applying for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then every 5 colleges or 5 courses will be 75 euros. This is the information. So where to approve it or where to send the details? So here you can click on information on payment of evaluation. So here is the information about for which IBAN you have to send, what is the employer or the name of the bank, and what is the BIC, and you have to fill in with your application number as your, there will be Bewerbungs number, which will be your application number, and your name and forename, everything. After paying, then upload this particular document with your payments confirmation here. So say example, I have already done or sent the payment for TU Braunschweig for 75 euros. Then I have uploaded the dummy document of payment here. Please make sure you send the application or the fees before you submit the application. Cannot submit the application because you have to upload here the payment receipt. So please first pay, then upload the documents here. Then you can click on next. Once you click on next, here you need to upload application documents for your masters. Applicant with German University entrance qualification with this name. So application with university entrance qualification from foreign, then please mention like this. So please upload application documents here. In this list you will find the documents that you are required. You can just click on the list, what are the documents that you need to upload. So this will be normal bachelor documents that we used to upload in our unions. So you need to have IELTS, we have already uploaded, and Deutsch 8. So what will be the documents that you will be uploading? Here at the end you will be uploading all missing documents based on the requirement checklist that they have provided. Please go through the checklist and upload everything where you have to fulfill your A2 level of German, SOP, LOR, APS, bachelor degree, transcript, and any other documents like work experience, internship, any other documents that you need to give here, or module handbook. Please upload and submit here. And here you can just see you have to give this particular name at the starting of every document. Bewerberbook number, which is your Bewerberbook number, application number is this, and your Abschluss, Fach, and all this name of your surname and this particular document name. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, you can check the complete application overview, I guess. Then after checking the complete overview of your document, then you can submit the application. So as I told you, it will be your complete overview of your application. So you can just see if you have given all information about your bachelor degree, right, your bachelor college, right, the course that you have studied and which specialization you want to pursue, and your IELTS document, the payment confirmation, and the complete set of documents, application documents that you need to give in the submit the application procedure. Then after that you can click on submit the application. Once you clicked on submit application, your application will be submitted, and you will wait for the check to be happen. Then you will get either admission or rejection. But yeah, this thing I just wanted to mention you guys in part 2 of application video, how to apply for TU Braunschweig for this particular course. In the next videos I will make another requirement analysis video of another college. If I find application is open, then I'll also make video on how to apply for that particular college. So see you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.